You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals negative 117 over 55. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 117 over 5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the b. Divide both sides by 11. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is b equals negative 117 over 55.